We're at the supermarket right now, and now we have to buy some stuff for 2 days to eat because we will be in the wilderness and there won't be much food available probably. What's happening?
Don't know.
What's going on?
Oh, we just got a taxi to Charyn Canyon. A lot of negotiating, but now here we go. Oh, and Jacob joined our group here.
Hi.
He's also from Germany.
Fresh.
We made it to Charyn Canyon, and right now we have to find a spot to put our tent and to sleep.
It's a Kyrgyzstan watermelon.
We're taking it with us.
Okay, we just walked down the canyon. Now we made it to our campground, and now we're going to go swimming.
So after swimming a bit, now we're on the hunt for the perfect sunset shot.
That's our camp down there, right next to the river. We just took down our tents and had some breakfast, and now we're going to go up the canyon again, and then we'll try to find a ride to get to Sati. We made it back out of the canyon, and now we will try to find a ride to Sati, but it will be quite hard because like there's no taxis here or something like that, so we kind of have to hitchhike and hope for the best. Alright, so Jacob found a ride, but just for one person, so he took half of our luggage and he's going towards the road. Hopefully we'll meet him up there, because otherwise our luggage is gone. And Jacob as well.
We got picked up. Now we will be driven to the main road again. So we just got out of our drive back there, and now we're waiting at the bus station to drive to the Kosai lakes.
Found another ride in the direction of Kosai lakes.
Талғат жібергенде
Let's get there.
дайын деді ғой. Или қайратта бар, или сапарда деді.